Hello everyone! Welcome to your complete guide for booking Indian visa appointments online through the IVAC BD portal. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through every step to successfully secure your appointment slot. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to appointment.ivacbd.com. On the landing page, you'll find helpful resources like notes and user guideline videos. Take a moment to review these if needed. For new users, click on either Take Your Appointment or Sign In button, then select Sign Up on the next page. Now, enter the email address and phone number that exactly match your web file. This is crucial. You'll receive OTP via SMS and email in sequence. Enter these codes carefully in the OTP field. After successful verification, you'll enter your personal information page. Again, use only the information from your web file. Don't enter different details, or your application will not proceed. Next, set your password following the on-screen instructions. You'll need to select 3 consent checkboxes to complete the process. Complete your sign-up before 5:30 p.m. After 5:30 p.m., you won't be eligible for appointment booking that day. Click Sign Up and your account is ready. Now let's sign in. Enter your phone number and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and verify the OTP sent to your phone. After signing in, read the informative notice on your dashboard carefully. You can check your profile by clicking the profile icon. Remember, you can only edit information once every 6 months. Now for the most important step, uploading your web file. Click Take Your Appointment and read the instructions. Click Next to reach the Upload section. Click Upload Primary Applicant's web file and upload your document. The system will automatically extract the web file data and verify your information. You can upload up to 4 web files total. Review all the auto-filled details by clicking the arrow. You can delete or re-upload other uploaded web files if needed, but not the primary web file, so make sure it's correct the first time. After confirming all information is accurate, select your preferred IVAC center and proceed. You'll now see a countdown timer showing when slot booking opens. Without completing web file upload, you cannot book slots at 6 p.m., so finish this step early. At exactly 6 p.m., sign in again with your credentials and complete OTP verification. Click Take Your Appointment. Notice the appointment date is automatically set to the next day. Select your preferred appointment time. Currently, there's typically 1 available slot, so it's auto-selected. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Continue Booking. You'll see the total amount based on your uploaded web files. Select the payment method most convenient for you: mobile banking, card, or other available options. After successful payment, congratulations! You'll see your confirmation page with web file details and payment status. This is crucial. Download or print your invoice immediately. You'll need this at the IVAC Center along with your physical web file. Let me quickly recap the key points. Sign up before 5:30 p.m. with information matching your web file. Upload your web file before 5:30 p.m. Log in at 6 p.m. sharp to book your slot. Complete payment and download your invoice. Visit IVAC Center with your invoice and web file. And that's it. You've successfully booked your Indian visa appointment. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with others who need it. For more information, visit appointment.ivacbd.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your visa application.